Maximize productivity with more screen. Use multi-window to open 3 windows at once and quickly compare side by side, resize, rearrange, and easily drag and drop content from one app to another. Flex Mode lets you tackle 2 things at once, like watching a video and messaging friends. This compact phone is built with a firm frame and is water and scratch resistant to take on the day. Use your S Pen to help you be more productive. Write with the familiar pen-to-paper feeling and transform handwriting into text. Unfold an immersive 7.6-inch screen. Pair that with a high-speed processor, long-lasting battery, and 120 Hz refresh rate for unmatched gaming. Pocket-sized phone, tablet-sized experience.